Welcome viewers. In this video I will show you how to download and install Wamp Server. Wamp Server refers to a software stack for the Microsoft Windows operating system consisting of the Apache web server, OpenSSL, MySQL database and PHP programming language. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you get more technical video. At first search wampserver.com. The link you can find in the description of this video. Open the link. You have two options, WAMP server 64 bits and WAMP server 32 bits. My computer system is 64 bits, so click on it. Download directly. Download latest version. Your download will start shortly. Download is started now. It's take few minutes. Download is completed now. Double click on it. Select your language, English. OK. Read the agreement. I accept the agreement. Press on next. 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 Install. Installing process has started now. It's take few minutes. Choose your browser. Do you want to choose another text editor? Installation is finished now. It's take few seconds. Apache HTTP server. Allow access. Click on next. Finish. Open Wamp server. Now the logo is red. When it changed into green, then open it. Click on it. Localhost phpMyAdmin, your virtual host Apache, PHP, MySQL, MariaDB. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more technical video, then please subscribe my channel.